Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a beautiful 1964 Buick Riviera. Nice car, guys. Good, solid, straight body. This is an older restoration. I think he said it's a 12-year-old restoration. But very nice car. There's some things you can nitpick in the paint. There's some touch-up marks. My flag out of the way here. But a nice driver, guys. If you're looking for something to jump in and cruise, I think you're really gonna like this car. Matching numbers. I think this is called a 465 Wildcat engine. They're 425 cubic inch. I think they're 340 horse. Great engine, plenty of power. Really, like I say, if you're looking for a car to have some fun in and turn the key, I think you're gonna have a blast with this car. Original Marlin blue. Car's had one repaint. It's got the factory dark blue interior, or I'm sorry, blue interior they call it. It's a dark blue carpet with the lighter blue seats in it. But like I say, just a good, straight, fun car. I love this body style. Always have. I've had quite a few of them over the years. And again, great looking cars. I just love them. Again, older restos, so as I walk around and try to point out there's some paint flaws. It's got the original bumpers on it. Car's only got 70,000 miles on it. I love the hood on these cars. I love that look right there. Again, the grill, the stainless is nice. You can nitpick the bumpers. Again, I wouldn't touch them. I'd leave them alone and drive this car. Pretty paint. Again, this is the original Marlin blue. I believe this is a power antenna if I remember right. It's got the correct Buick mirrors on it. Pretty car. These are cool body styles, man. This is all the original chrome and stainless around the windows. Again, original bumpers. You can nitpick those. These are original bezels. Straight down the sides. I believe this car has all the original body panels. It's clean underneath. It's got a set of 17-inch American Racing torque thrusts all the way around it. I just love the look of these cars, man. Of course, it's sitting a little bit low. They've got it down a little bit. Again, if you know, and you can nitpick any of them, but you can nitpick this car. But again, it's not 50 grand. Nice driver. It does, you can see that. It's matching numbers engine. We kind of left this all alone. I didn't want my guys over detailing it. They did change it to aluminum radiator, stock 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power drum brakes, old clear view washer bottle in there. Again, just a good straight driver. Again, you see a little ding. Like I say, you can nitpick some spots in the paint. I'm not trying to tell you the car's a 10. But if you're looking for a nice driver that you don't have to break the bank, I think you're going to like this car. And I'll tell you, it hits the road good. I would not be afraid to jump in this thing and go anywhere. It's a good car. Original remote mirror. A-pillar chrome's nice. Like I say, this stuff is all original. Just a good, straight, old, honest car, man. Power windows, again, remote mirror. They have redone this interior. Now, this was done recently. You can see how nice that interior is. New carpet. Those are the original sill plates. This, in the jams, this is your original paint. Again, it's had one repaint. Seats are very nice. I don't like the different color mats, guys, so I've ordered the dark blue mats for it too, so those will go with the car as well. Headliner's nice, like I say, very nice seating in the car. Crack in your try 75,044, and that is the original miles on the car. Factory dash and gauges. They've got an aftermarket temp gauge underneath. AM radio. Again, it is power antenna. Interior is exceptionally nice in the car. And like I say, you're going to get 2 sets of mats because I've ordered the dark blue mats. I did put brand new dual exhaust on it. I didn't like the exhaust they had on it. You know, stock rear, not a big gear or anything like that. Again, this is your original paint in here. Does have a spare. The original jack is behind that little cardboard over there. And it's all spackle coated in the trunk. Again, this stuff's all factory. Yeah, Jordan's exact words, this car drives like a dream. Again, stock rear, all brand new dual exhaust. Pretty neat old car. Again, in the jams, that's your original paint. Seats are comfortable. Like I say, always been a big fan of these cars. Love the interiors. These cars are works of art on the inside. Love the gauge packages in them. Just a super cool car. They'll surprise you too. They run strong. This thing just runs beautifully though. I love those hoods. I love that front end. Pretty car. Fuel gauge works. Like I said, they got temperature gauge underneath, it works. Power windows work. Car just sounds as sweet as can be. Factory AM radio works. Blower motor, I never flipped it on. Did you flip it on? Yep, it works. Doors open and close nice. These cars are just cool. Got a great look. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I post a new video. It's got a great sound, great look. It's an awesome body style. Have a great day, guys.